There! Hey there! This is Scott, the Fix-It guy, with a quick subscriber message. Thank you. I've reached my first milestone in this YouTube journey. 100 subscribers. I know some of you are family and friends, but many of you I've never met, except maybe a posted comment here or there along the way. Thanks to each and every one of you. I started this channel simply as a fun learning hobby while penned at home during this pandemic. I enjoy shooting videos. I enjoy getting involved in all manner of interesting projects at home. And I thought perhaps I could encourage a few other people to do the same. Reaching 100 subscribers qualified me to create a custom URL, which makes it a heck of a lot easier to share my channel link with others. So to celebrate, I've renamed my channel ItsFixable. So you'll now see that name in your subscription feed, but it's still me offering the same fun, interesting, and helpful videos I wanted to from the start. Thanks for enjoying my videos and sharing my channel link with your friends. It has taken nearly a year, 50 video uploads, and a lot of learning and practice in video editing to reach this point. It's happened organically too, because I never want to waste your time or mine asking you to subscribe from within my videos the way a huge number of creators do. Heck, you all know how it works. Clicking subscribe makes it easy to return for more if you enjoy what you're seeing. On the creator end, the more subscriptions, likes, and comments one gets, the more likely that video is going to get offered to others when they're browsing the system, and the more opportunity the creator has to touch other people's lives. I always enjoy hearing your thoughts on my videos, so I read every comment that's posted. My plan is to simply continue to share the interesting projects and tasks that come up in my life and to continue improving my video skills. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, and liking. Thanks for joining in.